The president of the Neothrep Youth Council HYC, Roy Kupar Sunrem, had appeared before the investigating officer at the Sadar police station in Shillong on the 28th of May 2024 in connection with the case against him and other HYC leaders. This case stems from the demolition of an illegal settlement in the Lom Survey area by the organization. Addressing reporters post-meeting, Sunrem revealed that the East Khasi Hills Police had recently filed charges against senior HYC leaders under the Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order MMPO Act and other sections of the Indian Penal Code. These charges relate to an unauthorized eviction drive against settlers in the Lom Survey area. Sunrem emphasized that the HYC's actions were aimed at protecting the welfare of the indigenous people and assured that the leaders would cooperate with police and court proceedings.
Long live Kupar Sunrem! 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 Dos Abraham! Long live Kupar Sunrem! 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 Long live Kupar Sunrem!
Hadin ba naka liang jong ka police department kila pha ya ka notice ingkong yang am ta kasi wan mi yang dia po Sadar police station ban ai ya ka statement by day bat ka case ya ka ba la register persya yangi kum kinoi lam kum ka jing sotu ka jongi ya ka case persya yangi la ai da ka police department hi bat la pengat ki babun ki kendon jong ka IPC bat kum ju ru jong ka MMPO by day ba ka sngi ya ka ba na kaliang jong kaseng ila lej bandrung hak apply trik hantia po Lom Survey ti kakum ka jing hawan jong kipulit kumangilaong na do menen ba ka police department gan khot yang ngi kloy banwan ban yesim benta hakanika jing tokit pat kumjuru la da pengat ya kes persya ngi la da ka kes ka poy po kut hi hadin bagi pulit kinle la ka jong ka kam ngi na kalayang ka jong ngi ngin yesim benta kata tingim don ni ban kren persya ya ka police department ni anu rei kumba kalong hi nakaliang jo kaseng haringkat bat kipat ba ngilayo i ka jing long jingman jo to ka jaka to ka apply trick bat kapla pen blong pat ya ki babun ki badon hang tu ban shim ban le ya ka e ka bade ban le ti ngiladep ban pendap la ka jong kamram ba menta ka sngiru kumbala khot nakaliang jong ki bor pulit ngalawan mi hang ni bat hadin jonga kin sadon sa kiwei pat kinoilam ya kumba sa arngut kinoilam Vice President Wei but Wei usket 3 kibala ibu kasngi ki hak Wei pat kisngi te nakaliang ka jong kiro nginyawan hi hak kumangalawan mga amta kasngi nginyawan hi banya simbenta kani ka jing tokit nakaliang jongi kum kinoilam kumangilayeng hakanong rem ba nginyale nakabenta banyada ban pendek pensa ila ka jong ka jai menrio dikini kijing ai case kijing pengat case kijing pengat kendon kijing ya lenti kijongi kum kinoilam ya kabangi hap ban mat bat ni khmi lenti bat ni smong thu ru ba bangi le nam ta banyada la jong gari ba jai penring nginget baki pat ba jong ka jai penring nyotrep ki don senda ni tela da ki pat ba jong ka jai penring nyotrep ki don senda bat ni ngim tieng bat ngimret ya pun kini kijing pengat ki kendon profer tang kan ni kasuban kerpat ki pat ba jong ka jai penring bikin kenmau ya ki noilam bat ya ka seng ki khot jong ka seng ki bakum kini kijing tenju kinangja nang ni syakmat bro inget ba namar ba kisian mangila shimti hamtam e ngitep ha ba kini bro fight kimi namar ba kaseng gasem ya kasenjam man ra dingkhong hamtam e yo drugs ba ngitep kumba baro ngitep kapisa kabaide ba ka jingkhayi ba ka jingpanya yo jong drugs kambon ha ka he ba.
Sunrem also mentioned that the HYC would await the district court's hearing and the results of a meeting between the district administration and the defense estate officer before deciding on further action regarding the issue.
Kajing sisa nakaliang jong UDC arp sautrik ulapha yangi ke city ban ong ba menen ke singi ke de bandon ke jingalang apeng ginoilam jong ke seng office jong DC ke office jong defense estate officer nrei menen apa por khat arbjing yo jing tip no pat bay kata ke meeting ke pelabu menen arbj lah ban pensange nakidau ba UDC umlat budon kam bay de ban penkret nam ta kanika jing nyobut lanika counting jong ka but lok sabha election hak sautrik ti ula pentip ru yangi ba unsabut dak wi ke trik ba dak wi ke singi tingin up ya kata kumakalong menta bat ngin up ru kay gabaja menta kasngi hapo akut nama kuminitip kadon ka case hapo district court yang ba menta kasngi kan don ka hearing tingin up ikiti jingjab ngin up kay gaba ka district administration baka defense estate officer kishim kisinjang.